Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Wednesday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. It's kind of heavy. We're going to check it out. Link is going to be down below. See what other goodies they have to offer. And take advantage of the Amazon Prime's best free shipping. And they'll ship this out to you in no time. Whatever this is. Alright. Got 2 bags. 1, 2. Yeah. Alright, here we go. Arrtx. Mateys. Alright, maybe some treasure. Oh, we got old school. Oh yeah. We got the old school bubble wrap. We got another one here. I'll definitely have the links down below, and you guys could add these to your cart, and they'll ship this out fast for you. Now we got school coming back, and then since August is tomorrow, last day of the month. Tell you, July flew by fast though. I already forgot about 4th of July. I didn't even realize it was a few weeks back. But definitely, it is moving. Ready for 2020. Oh, here we go. We got some stuff here. Looks like markers. We got warm gray, cool gray. There's a bunch of markers in here. Oh, here's one that fell upside down. Warm gray. Another one fell upside down. What's going on here? Coral or cool? You gotta be cool. Alright. And what we got here? Another one. Different type. And what do we got here? It's like all cool gray. Interesting. I'm not the artist, but definitely if you guys are into arty. Ew. Piece of hair. Has it been used? Or maybe it's for the bag. I got one of those tip pens. And then reverse this side of pen. I can't draw nothing. Definitely not the artist. And I like prints. And blue gray. It's interesting that they're all upside down. BG5. OPP. Alright, so these are pretty much all the grays, I guess. Yeah. So, bada boom. There's the stacks. And then, not sure what this one is. Alright, there it is. Ooh, there it is. Shakalaka. Oh boy. We got flesh, raw silk, blush, sienna, chestnut brown. You guys can see all different colors. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. Arrtx. Got a little box here. Gotta see what the flesh looks like flesh and bone. There we go. Cheerio. Alright. So they work. Definitely pick some up for someone that you know that's in the art family. Great stocking stuffers. Since now we're in the boy oh boy, fall season, and you guys could get these at a low cost and take advantage of the Prime fast free shipping. They'll ship this out to you in no time. Alright, YouTubers, be safe, have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.